Hey friends, if you encounter the error where Windows cannot find bin64installmanagerapp.exe, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, this is an application, okay, install manager app. If it is a specific application, then you can try reinstalling it. And if it doesn't reinstall, then simply search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Open disk cleanup, and then check all of these boxes here, each and every one of these, and then select OK, and then click on delete files. Now this will delete all the temporary files associated with that software, and then you will be able to reinstall it. Okay, but if it is a system app, then you can try an SFC scan first. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to install the Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable. So search for it in the Windows search bar and hit enter, and open this link, the first one. Go to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down. For 32-bit computers, choose the first one. Mostly computers these days are 64-bit computers, so select the second one and then click on open. Once it opens up, you will have to click on repair. Okay, it needs a few seconds to load. Click on repair. This will fix the issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.